All right, pre-Lite, so here is a refresher on all of our different exponent rules. So the first one, when we have numbers with the same base and different exponents, what you do is keep the base and add your exponents. So if we have both bases of 3, and then we have 3 as an exponent here and 7 as an exponent here, remember we keep our base and then add our exponents. So 3 plus 7, which would be 10. Once again, we have the same base and we're multiplying, so we keep our base. And then we add our exponents. So 5 plus a negative 7 would be negative 2. All right. And then if we have different bases and same exponents, we multiply our bases and keep the exponent. So 7 times 6 would be 42. And they have the same exponent, and we just keep it and bring it over. 12 times 4, and we have the same exponent of 6. So we multiply our bottom, so 12 times 4 is 48. And then we keep the 6 as our exponent, all right? And then last one that we have is that if we have two of the same bases being divided and they have different exponents, we subtract the exponents when we're dividing. So over here we are multiplying and had the same bases, so we add them. But here we have the same bases, different exponents, and so you subtract them because we are dividing. So we have the same bases, so we are going to keep that. But we need to do 3 minus 5, so 4 to the negative 2. And then this one we have the same basis, so we're going to keep that. But 7 minus 3, so 5 to the 4th. All right. If you have more questions, please ask your teacher. Thank you.